Good morning. Good morning. Again, this is Mr. Henry Clement for your year 7th or secondary 1 math. Today we have a revision. Okay, so I think most of students, you have the same book with me. Okay, so if you don't have, you may copy down the question. Okay, you may take a screenshot of this one, or you can copy down the question. One, two, three, and then another one. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I will not go through every question. I will just show some of the question. Okay, and then you may need to do it maybe by yourself. Okay. So this is from your books. Okay. Some basic operation I will show. Still, I will show that. Okay. So for the question 1, for example, I will try question. This is review A. Where I'll try 1B. 1B, which is this? 296 minus 187. This question is not easy because you can see that 296 and 187. Okay, so 6 cannot minus 7. Still remember the very first lesson, I'm telling you that 16, if you want to make a number, is made from the 7 and 9. Okay, 7 and 9. Immediately, if you master the making number method, okay, so you know the answer will be 9 here. And then this is the 9 will become 8. 8 minus 8, you will get a 0, and this is 1. So the answer is obviously 109. Okay. If you forget about this number, always go back to the week 2. Okay, there's a video to show that how to do the making number. Okay. Okay, I will show you with the 1C for the purpose of this one. Okay. 2141 minus 719. Okay. So you may have 2141 and minus 719. Okay. So you know that this is 11. 11, you have 9 and 2. So I have 2 here. Okay. Now, and then this one will become the 3. 3 minus 2. Okay. For example, 3 is 2 and 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. Again, this is 11. 11, you have, if one side is 7, you have 4 on the other side. So this is obviously 4, and then this one become 1. Okay, so the answer is 1422. Then we go to the number 2. Okay. Christy spends about the same amount of each day on lunch. Last week, she spent 325, 308, 363, and you have 295 and 312. Write the amount in order from the smallest to the largest. Okay, so if you compare 25, 08, you have 2 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit, not 2 decimal place, right? So the smaller one will be 308, and then this is number 1. Number 2, after that you have the 12. 312, and then you have 325. And then we have 63 and 95. Yes, 63, right? 363 and then 395. Okay, this is the order from the smallest to the largest. Then we shall go on to. Okay, write the first 6 multiples. This is you may memorize this one from the times table, right? Okay. I should try number 15. This is out here and the 13. I like these 2 numbers as I mentioned. we need to do the 13 one, and 15 one, and also 19 one for extra knowledge. Okay, so for the 13 one will be 13, 26, 39, 52, 65. This is for 13. And then you have the 15 one, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. Not only this now, the in the exam always come up with this 19, 38, 57, 76, and 95. Okay, why is this pair of number coming out? Usually when simplify the fraction, you have 76 and then you have 95. Oh, this is actually 4 times 19 and this is 5 times 19. So you can cancel each other. And now the answer is 4 over 5. You can see this is hard if you don't know this multiplication of the 19. Okay. Okay. So this is the key. Okay, then we go to the number 4. Okay, this is a terms. This is an expression. This is an equation. Okay. And then the next question asks us to draw an angle. Still remember how we draw the angle? Yes, 5A will be like, you need to draw a line. Any line will do. Okay, and make it a dot. So you're trying to fix the cross into the cross, and then the line will be hidden on the original line. Okay, and then start from 0. If you want to measure about 42, then you go until 40, 40 and 2. Then this is the thing, and you need to draw a line from the center to the mark you have. So this is 42. So if you need to draw something larger than 180, such as number C, 5C, so it's 195. So you know that 195, if you know how to make number, then it's 180 and 15. Oh, 15, okay. Or on the other way is 360. You know this is 180, 195. Okay, and then on the other side is 165. Okay, so you may draw a line. Okay, and then okay, so if you want to have 180 and then you have 180 and another 15, or you can count the other way, which is 160. So as you go on from here and make sure the line is overlapped and hidden. Cannot see already. Just see the color, but you cannot see the different line. So you may go to the 100 and from here 165 is this one. So when you connect the line, this will be the 195 because this is 165. Okay, the full turn is about 360. Half turn is 180. Okay, then we go to number 7. Number 7, we do a multiplication. Number 7, we should try number 7B. Okay, this is 34, 68 times. So we should do separately. We should do the 8 first. 8 times 4, you get 32. 8 times 3, you get 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. 6 plus 4, so this is 60. So you need to start with 60, the tens place. Okay, 6 and 4 is 24. And then this is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. So your answer is 2. And then remember, 11 is making from 7 and 4. So this is 11. And then this is 3 and 2. So answer is 2312. We go to number 8. A passenger bus holds 46 people. How many people can fit into 17 buses? Okay, so one bus can fit for 46. 17 buses, how many? Okay. So we know that actually this is about 17 times 46, right? Okay, so you can get the answer. But here, I would like to take this chance to introduce a so-called the ratio method. If this is direct ratio, direct proportion, so you can just draw a line, an arrow which indicate the division, the ratio. So the x divided by 46 is actually 17 divided by 1. So the x you can get 17 times 46. Now this is the same thing, okay? Because sometimes the answer here is not 1. So to use the ratio method is sometimes it's more convenient. So we have 17, 46. We do the same operation again. We try to do the 6 first. So it's 10. 782. Okay, this is the answer for number 6. Number 8A. And then we need to measure the angle. Okay. So this one, be careful, can you see? When you have this angle, you want to measure, this line is short. If the line is shorter than, for example, this is the angle X. The angle, this is X. So if you put down your protractor, then the line is shorter than the division you have. You need to make it longer actually. Extend the line. Extend the line. Or you can buy a smaller protector. Okay, so this is the thing we connect to. And then this is from 0, do it from 0, not the 180. So until this line is 105, 105. So this is equal to 105. Okay. Then we should go to number, this is in order again. In order, you need to have the same. Wait, Okay. So we shall go to number 10. Okay. So we have this number, can you see? If you have 94.36, 94.5. So do you think this is 5 and this is 36? Okay. 94.63 and 95.071. So very first idea of solving this type of question that you need, because this is involved with the decimal. So the very first thing that you need to have, this is 3, and then you need to add up to make it 3, and then 3 and 3. Okay. So you look at the last number first. If this is the larger one, okay, should be the last one, the largest one. Okay. So then we go for this 94 first, this 3. So this is 360. This is not 5, but this is 500 after you have the same value. Okay? And then this is 630. So you know that actually 300 is smaller than this so-called 500. Okay? So your answer will be 9436. Listen first. And then the next one will be 945. And then only to this 94363. And the last one is 95071. Okay, this is how you arrange your answer. Okay, so the important thing is that you need to do that. Okay, give me a second. I'll check with the line. Okay, I think it's so far so good, right? So then we go to the rounding. Yes, rounding. I need to show you a method. Okay. So when you have let's try the number 11a. We have 2, 3, 4, 5 to the nearest 100. So when you have 100 here, so you need to, okay, for my method, I will draw a dot here and then look at the next number, the smaller number. If this is 4, then this will remain 3. So it's 2, 3, 0, 0. Can you see? So this is the way of doing. And we have the C. 23.6573 to the nearest whole number. Whole number is 1. Okay. So which one is a whole number? Yes, this is whole number. You need to look at the next number. So it's more than 5. More than 4 is a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you need to add another 1 to the 3. So the answer will become like 24 in this case. Okay. So then we go to the number 12. Number 12, which is expand. Expand in my lesson, I try to make it 9 level in both year 8 and year 7. You may have to look back to the skill that you need to obsess. You need to learn. When you have a 3 set of 2t plus 1, it means that I have 3 boxes. I buy 3 boxes. So in each one, I have t, and 1. So I have t, and 1. So I have t, and 1. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times of 2, so I have 60. And then 1, 2, 3. So I have 3. Can you see? Then we go to the the following number divisible by 6. Okay, so you must divide them by 6. Okay. The number 13, 2, 5, 2 divided by 6. Okay. 6 times 4 is 24. 12. 6 times 2 is 12. Yes, this is divisible. Okay. We shall go to number 14. I add the water from this measuring cylinder to 2.7 liter. How much water do I have altogether? So this is, can you see, you must read this one. Okay, so this is from 200 to 300, you have 3 lines, so it's a 230. So you have the 230 ml. You add to the 2.7 liter. So if you want to measure in liter, then you need to change this one in liter. If you not, then you can change this one into ml. Okay. If you want to change this one to ml, this is equal to 2,700 ml. So you add these two together, 2,007 plus 230, so you get 2,930 ml. Okay. Number 16, we go to number 16. Eggs are sold in the box of 6. How many boxes are needed to pack 838? So they mean 838 will divide into the 6. Then I can get the answer. So you have remaining 4. So 139 cannot pack all. So you need to have 140 boxes so that they can pack everything. Okay. Due to this question, if you cannot think this is the divide, then you can always follow the ratio one. That means one box can fit to 6. And then how many box can fit to 8, 3, So you need to draw an arrow. This is ratio problem. Then you know that x divided by 1 is 8, 3, 8 divided by 6. Yeah, this one is mean this one. Mr. Shillingford drive. Okay, I think we'll skip this one. Okay, maybe we do this one also. Okay. Mr. Shillingford drive 32 kilometers, and from the each day, how many kilometers does he do in 28 days? So that means it's 32 times 28. No? So you get this one is okay, 896 kilometers. Okay, then we go to the 19. Which one is prime number? Prime number. Prime number is that the number you cannot divide by the number other than 1 and itself. Okay, for example, number 6. Number 6 is 1 times 6 and also 2 times 3. So this is another one. So this is not a prime number. So 23. Yes, 23 you only have 1 times 23. There's no other choice. So this is prime number. Okay, the rest are not. So number 20. Number 20 is a biomass. Bracket come first, then index, then the division and multiplication, and also addition and subtraction. So you shall do this one. 20 minus this 20f. Bracket 2 plus 1 times 4. So always the bracket first. You have the bracket here, so we need to solve this one first. You have the subtraction and multiplication, then this multiplication comes before the subtraction. So I should do this one first, then only the last one is a 12. Can you see? You need to follow all this operation. And then we have question number 21, which you need to construct A, B, C, which is AB 6.4. AC is a 5.2, and then BAC is 50. Okay. Oh, I don't have new one, so I shall use this one, the old one. Okay. Now that you can read it, okay. So the first thing that you need to measure a 6.4. Okay. 6.4, that means that you need to draw a line first. This is 5.2. Allow me to draw a 5.2 first. So we need to draw a line and then to mark from 0 here to the 5.2 here. Okay, so this is a line. And then we need to open up an angle of the 50. So the angle of 50. So using this protector. Oh, no compass is using for this question. Okay. So this is 50. Can you see this is 50? And then you need to connect the line together. Okay, and then you need to measure again 6.4. So my triangle is there, which is A, which is B, and which is C. Okay. Then we go to number 23. Okay. 23 means that changing to cm, 2.7 meter to cm. Okay. So I have 1 meter equal to 100 cm. Using ratio way method is always easiest. So you draw a line. So it means that x divided by 100 is actually 1 divided by 2. From here 2.7 divided by 1. So the x is equal to 2.7 times 100. So it becomes a 270 centimeter. So always using this method, you can try it by yourself. So 24, calculate. I'll give you the C. The C, 24. Okay. C is the 13 power of 2 is 169. Okay, because in our lesson, we will encourage students to actually do more square number. Start from 12, 11 you have 121, 12 you have 144, and then 13 is so easy, 169, because the 14 will be 196, and then the 15 will be 225. These are the interesting number that you can actually learn. Okay. Then we go to the I think 26 is we just do this 26, so I left it to yourself to do, and then we shall go to a negative number, which is 27. Okay, if 27, we try to have a 3 plus what equal to 19. This is the method I showed you last time in the year 7, week 2 or week 3. The 19, you need to always think that if this number is making from 3, and then you need to immediately get out the 16. So this is 16. Then only you know that this is 19 minus 3 is 16. So this is 16. 16, sorry. Okay, this is the method, the concept you need to grab firmly. Yeah. And then we have 28. 28, which is the simply no, before that 27 we have negative number. We should do the negative number. Okay, now we should go to the D. -4 and negative some more will become a -9. That means that you are on this line, this 0, and you are -4 here. So if you are going negative, going this way, some more stage, so some more steps, so that you can go to -9. That means it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So you know the difference between here is 5. So this -4 and then negative this way, and -5. So it's -5. So you cannot have two negative, because two negative that means going this way. No, going back is the other way already. So negative only 1, because to show that going to the left. Then we go to the 28. 28 is that you need to simplify. We go to the D, which is 3s plus 2t plus s. My method is always you need to circle or triangle the same terms, like terms. So 3 plus 1, you will get 4s plus 2t, and then you have the 2 and 2 here. So you need to take out the 2, take out the 2, it will be like 2s plus t. Okay. Number 30, use a ruler. Okay, number 30, we should go to number 30. Okay. We try number A, will do. Okay. So this should be 8 cm. Okay. And then you measure an angle of 48 here. Sorry, I cannot see. Block my phone. Oh, so this is okay. Can you see the line is more hidden already? 48. This one. So we build a line, and then you have 33. So you connect the line. So this is the shape we get finally. Okay. So you can do this one again. 108. Finding the HCF and of these shapes. Okay. HCF is the highest common factor. Okay. So for the 14 and 63. Okay. Okay. This is the 7. 7 times 2. 7 times 9. Okay. So after this, usually my method I will not do until 111. And then because on the left side, this is the highest common factor. So I'll just get this 7 as an answer for the 31A. Okay, then we go to the 35. When you have 35, this question, write number in the 1 decimal place. We have the A, which is 35, which is 14.321. So 1 decimal place, it means this one. You need to look at them. So it's a 14.3. So this is the answer. The B will be 6.467. So you draw a dot and look at the behind one. So it's become 6.5. The thing you repeat again and again. Okay. Then we go to the next page, the page 3 of this division. So, so we go to find the number 38. 38 is more challenging. We have this H frequency. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have 5 here, 12, 18, and 15. So find the mean. That means that I need to find how many students altogether. So this is 20, 30. So it's 50. I need to total up this one. So and then I have to find the fx, which is this one times this one. So this is 50. And then this one, I need to times up. Okay, 12 times 18. Okay. So I need to add up everything. This is the sum of the fx, which is so this is 593. Okay. So then the mean will be fx divided by f So this is 593 divided by 50. So you can get the answer. Okay, let's check with the calculator. 13 times 15. Yes, this is the answer. 12 times 18. Yes. 11 times 12. Yes. Okay, so I sum it together. 50 plus 132 plus 216 plus 195. So this is this one divided by 50. So the answer will be the age is 11.86 average or the mean. Okay. And then the model age is the most frequency one. Yes, this is the model age. So it's the 12. Oh, this is the model age. Okay, from this table, you can see what the coldest temperature recorded. So the negative one, yes, the negative 6 colder is 3 a.m. Okay. Between which two is the greatest fall? It means this is the range. This is the lowest and the highest will be 5. So the answer will be the range will be 5 minus negative 6. So it's 5 plus 6. So it's the range is 11 Celsius. So this one is a 5. For the 4, that means that this is 9 a.m. 9 p.m. Sorry, 9 p.m. and 4 to the 6 is the 3 a.m. Okay. So same thing happens to the rise. If the rise, that means it started from the 3 and then go to the 6 a.m. in the morning. So now we need to find the LCM. LCM for the 41. Maybe we look at a C. Okay, 26 and 78. So you may need to use the 2. This is 13. And then 2, this is 39. And you see, this is already the number. You cannot go further. I will not do the 1, 1. Okay. So on my left side, this is the HCF. And then the whole thing, which is from this one to this one, is my LCM. So my LCM will be 2 times 13 times 39, or you have alternatively, I especially have this idea of cross these two numbers. So, or you can use 78 times 13, or you can use 26 times 39. Okay, let's check answer whether they are the same or not. So for the first one is 2 times 13 times 39, you'll get you a 1014, or this one 78 times 13 will get you also 1014, or this one 26 times 39 will get you also 1014. So you can use all these three methods. You can do the L or the X one, each one of them. So I'll give you the same answer of this LCM. Okay, we go to the 42. The 42 says that you need to order it. Okay, for example, this is 23 mm, this is 2 cm, and then this is 3 cm, and then 3 cm 2 mm. Sorry, you only have 3. So this one you need to change it to the same unit first. So this one will be 23 mm. This one will become 20 mm, and this one will become 32 mm. Yes, then we know this one is smaller. Number 2, number 3. So my ordering will be 2 cm come first, 23 mm max, and then 3 cm 2 mm. Sorry, 3 cm 2 mm is number 3. Then we go on to 43. 43. 43 is this shape. We do the 43b. So I have a rectangle which is 2x here and y. So the area will be these two times together. Area is equal to 2x times y. So you get you 2xy. The perimeter will be this one 2x plus y plus 2x plus y. So it's 2x plus y plus 2x plus y. So altogether I have the light term I triangle. So it's 4x. And then next one I will do the circle. So plus 2y. Okay, this is the answer. Then we go to the 45. 2.3 times what number equal to 23? So this is become bigger. Can you see? This is become bigger. Oh, so this is only one move to the right. So the answer for this one is 10. So what number time? Okay, sorry, this is wrong. What number divided by 100 is equal to 0.54? Okay. In the exam, we need to think using our critical thinking. Divide by 100 becomes small, so this number must be big one. So you cannot move further in front and become smaller. So you need to move 2 because this is 2 0. So move to the behind. So the answer will be 54. Okay. Before you answer before you move or in your memorize, okay, if you memorize that, so think of that. The number is become bigger or smaller before you move. Okay. Then we go to the 47. This is about, okay, 46. The model class is always the largest one, which is the 13. So it's 13 here. So to 47, we have ton to kg, to kg. So example, B is 0.32 ton. Okay, then you go back. 1 ton is 1000 kg. 0.32 ton is equal to x. So you draw an arrow. It means that x divided by 1000 is equal to 0.32 divided by 1. So the x is 0.32 times 1000. So it's 320. So it's equal to 320 kg. Okay, number 49 is not the easiest one. Not the easiest one. Some very hard one. My age is 8 years. My age is 8x years. And my son's is y years. Right now the equation for that the total of our age is 72. That means x plus y is 72. Okay. So I'm twice as old as my son. So the x is actually 2y. Okay. Then we try 51. 51. So you have 51. Let's try number D lah. Oh. 10t plus 3 and then 5p plus 2t minus p. Okay, this one should be solved first, but this one is in different term. We cannot solve, so we should do the times first. So it's 10t plus 3 times 5 is 15p. 3 times 2 is 6t, and then plus p. Then you need to draw a triangle. So the p is this one. Okay. So the answer for p will be 16p. The t is this one. So the answer for t is 16t. So since both are 16, you may take out the 16 if you want, so that to simplify it. So the 16 take out, this one will be p plus t. Okay, this is the whole answer. Okay. Then we go to the, we try to skip that so that I can give you to try in your home. Okay. So maybe I try the 53 first. Okay. So 259 divided by 9. Let's try. 2 is 18. Then you have 79 times 72. So you have 7. So it's not divisible. Okay. And then we have 57. Which of the following solid are prism? Okay, prism. Okay. So prism is a thing that you have any shape here, for example, triangle, and then you have long end. You have this one, and you have long end, or maybe anything lah. Okay, a long end. Okay, so you can find it from your books. And then we shall go on to the last one, which is this one. Write a equation that state Sarah have A and Ruth have B, and they have 10 together. That means A plus B equal to 10. Okay, so Ely has C and Tom has D, and Ely has 10 more than Tom. Okay, Ely has 10 more than Tom. So Ely is C. C is the Tom have B plus 10. Okay, this is the idea. Okay, so this is today for your review A for your year 7 class secondary 1. I hope that you enjoy this class. This is Mr. Henry Clement. If you need the notes and the past paper or any training, always go to the different color note. Okay, you may have that. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.